आप लोग सबको मेरा नमस्ते प्रणाम. So, good morning everybody present here. On the occasion of this inaugural session of the Y20 consultation at KIT campus, we have many eminent personalities on the dais and also great personality, eminent personality also of the dais present here. So it's my great pleasure to take the name of everybody, so I'll take little bit more time. As a founder of KIT and KISS, I have to welcome everybody and speaking minimum one line for the eminent guest present here from the 20 countries and also Government of India, everybody. So anyhow, we have with us on the desk our Honorable Chief Guest, our Sri Ashwini Kumar Chubeji, Honorable Minister of State for Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Environment and Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, present here as the Honorable Chief Guest. Similarly, we have with us our Honorable Guest of Honor, respected Sri Tushar Kanti Behera ji, Honorable Minister of Government of Odisha, State for Home, Youth and Sports, Electronics and IT, Government of Odisha present here. Similarly, we have with us His Excellency, Honorable Member of Parliament, UK, respected Mr. Birendra Sharma ji. We have also with us His Excellency, Honorable former US Congressman USA, respected Dr. Robert Pittenger ji. We have also with us our His Excellency, Honorable Member of Parliament, Switzerland, and also the Global Ambassador of KIT and KISS, my dear brother, Dr. Nick Gugarji. We have also with us His Excellency, Honorable High Commissioner of Malta, respected Ruben Gauci ji, present on the desk. We have with us also respected Srimati Mita Rajivolochan, Secretary of the Youth Affairs in the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, and also our Vice Chancellor KIT University, Pro Vice Chancellor KIT University. They are also present on the dais, and many eminent personalities present on the audience side. So, as a founder of KIT and KISS, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all in the inaugural session of the Youth 20 consultation for the Youth 20 engagement group of the G20 work stream, hosted by KIT University under the leadership of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. So, it is my great pleasure to speak a few words of all the honorable guests present on the dais and welcome them. Yeah, I have forgot the global person, main attraction of the entire world, our respected Mr. Ricky Cage, 3 times Grammy awardee, the special attraction for this youth program. It is the rarest of the rare thing to get Ricky Cage on any Y20 functions in entire India. We are very much fortunate because he is the alumni of KIT University. That's why within 3 days notice he could come here today morning and now gracing the occasion. So it's my great pleasure to extend the heartiest welcome to our Honorable Minister Sri Ashwini Chubeji, who is the Minister of the State for Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Environment and Forest and Climate Change, as our chief guest. Sir, your words and guidance will be invaluable to us, which I have been seeing for the last 20 years. I have been close to our Honorable Chief Guest today for the last 20 years. His son is also alumni of this university. And he is such a spiritual person, nice person, very humble and simple, and seasoned politician, being MLA minister in the Bihar state, then also in the government of India. So many things in his credit. I am personally very much grateful to him. Not only he loves me, my work, he has visited my native place, village. He has come with madam also, his wife here, and within a very short notice he could make it convenient to grace this occasion as the chief guest. I am grateful to you, sir, forever you know, and I welcome you. And at the same time, also, I welcome the madam present on the audience side. Thank you very much. And we have with us our own minister, Tushar Kanti Behera ji, IITian, very nice young chap, and having so many portfolio. So I welcome our Dr. Tushar Kanti Behera ji as our guest of honors. And similarly, it's my great pleasure to extend the heartiest welcome to our definitely Dr. Birendra Sharma ji, Honorable Member of Parliament UK and highly respected Member of Parliament in the UK since 2007. And also he has dedicated his life to public service, guided by his strong belief in social justice and fairness. One good thing with Birendra Sharma ji, he is an Indian origin. Very spiritual person also, equally though he has spent his entire life in London or UK. And one good thing I have never seen with any social worker, including myself, that he has worked tirelessly to raise awareness of the challenges faced by the widows and to push for policies and initiatives to support them. He has been working relentlessly in India and also other countries for the welfare of the widows. So very real social workers does for the widows. So thank you very much, sir. God bless you for century. And I welcome you on behalf of this entire gatherings present here and on behalf of the staff, students, management of KIT University, and on my behalf also I welcome you. Similarly, we have with us our great congressman from America, Robert Pittenger ji. Very jovial, very educated, highly knowledgeable, and also seasoned politician for 3 terms Member of Parliament in US. And he is also known for his efforts in organizing Global Parliamentary Intelligence Security Forum to address critical issues. And Pittenger ji is also actively involved in charitable and educational organizations. Sir, I have no words to express my thanks, gratitude to you, coming twice within a time period of 10 days to India for this cause only, Youth 20. Thank you very much. On behalf of everybody, I welcome you, sir, His Excellency. Our Dr. Nick Gugar is also sitting. He has been associated with us for the last more than 10 years. He has been designated Global Ambassador of KIT and KISS. He is really doing fantastic for KIT and KISS. You will be happy to know that he is also a man of origin of India. He is now Switzerland Member of Parliament. He was born in South India and abandoned by the parents. He was taken care of from the 1 day old or 1 month old by the couple of Switzerland. Now you see the fate of Dr. Nick Gugar. What is his log? He is the most renowned politician in Switzerland, twice Member of Parliament, going to be thrice very soon. And he has been working relentlessly for the underprivileged child, both in India and also Switzerland, and he has many things in his credit. Thank you, my dear brother. Coming all the way to grace this occasion, I welcome you on behalf of everybody present here. And similarly, we have with us His Excellency, respected Ruben Gauci, High Commissioner of Malta to India. He has also many things in his credit. Not only he is High Commissioner of Malta to India, but also he is High Commissioner of Malta to Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, and many other countries. So besides his good education, BA, MA, everything, he is very fluent in the language of Maltese, so also English, so also Italian, so also Russian. Thank you, His Excellency. Coming second time to KIT to grace this occasion, I welcome you on behalf of everybody present here. And definitely, our respected Madam Secretary, Youth Affairs, Government of India, Srimati Mita Rajivolochhan. So it is her functions, we are hosting it. So I should not cite many things about her. So I welcome you, ma'am, on behalf of the entire gatherings present here. And similarly, our dear respected Mr. Ricky Cage. I hope all the lovable Kittians, Kishians, young mass, or everybody must be aware of Mr. Ricky Cage, and recently who created history, getting third time Grammy Award. So Mr. Ricky Cage is an award-winning Indian music composer and environmentalist who has achieved international recognition for his contribution to music and activism with 3 Grammy Awards and over 100 music awards in 20 countries. Ricky's vast repertoire includes 16 studio albums, 3,500 commercials, and 4 feature films. He is also an ambassador for various United Nations programs, including UNCCD, UNESCO, MGIP, and also UNICEF. In addition to, he is also serving as a professor in National Institute of Advanced Studies, and he is also known as or certified, awarded Youth Icon of India, Global Humanitarian Artist from the United Nations. और कुछ है ही नहीं. और आपका बारे में बोले तो it will take hours together. Anyhow, we are very much happy that is such a great person, definitely. Be it Honorable Prime Minister of India, be it any minister, Chief Minister, everybody loves him and knows him like anything. And we are very much fortunate, lovable Kittians, Kishian. Recently, we have honored him with the honorary DLIT award. He has become the alumni of this KIT University within just 3 days before that, because though I remember you, but I was afraid of requesting him. He is such a great man. So before 3 days, I sent one small mail. Is it possible on your part to grace this occasion and do the live concert in the evening for the entire audience? Within no time, he gave assent, permission, or consent. I am ready, I am joining with you. That is Ricky Cage. I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much for your... And at the same time, we have many eminent personalities on the audience side. So we are so fortunate. This podium has been graced by almost many policymakers, including our Honorable Prime Minister, President, Vice President, Speaker, anybody, and also 120 ambassadors, and also 22 Nobel laureates. But we have never get in one place 20 members of parliament from 20 countries on this podium. So today it is history that they are here. And also we have Indian Parliament, Member of Parliament from the Government of India. Now we are 4, and also other 16 are joining today and tomorrow, because today is a very great day in India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti, the great economic social reformer and also the writer of the biggest constitution of India, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So all the honorable member of parliament are celebrating the birthday of B.R. Ambedkar today. But I will take the few names also. If I am forgetting anybody's name, please don't mind, because as you know, my mindset also, by chance I will forget. But at the same time, it is my great pleasure to welcome His Excellency, Honorable Member of Parliament from German, respected Mr. Andreas Schwarz. Andreas Schwarz, Member of Parliament from the Social Democratic Party, and he has also held various positions in local councils and many other things. So on behalf of the entire gatherings, I welcome you, His Excellency, sir, sitting here. Thank you very much coming all the way to grace this occasion. Similarly, we have with us our Her Excellency, Honorable Member of Parliament from Ukraine, respected Madam Julia. My lovable Kittians and Kishian and the other young chaps from the different school college present here. I, I advise all of you to give a big clapping for the member of parliament from Ukraine. Why I am telling you? Now, the name of Ukraine has become the household name in entire globe. Can you imagine? Honorable member of parliament has come all the way with 42 hours journey from Ukraine to India. 42 hours journey. So, whatever thanks, gratitude I will express, that will be less to her. Anyhow, our respected Madam Julia, Ukrainian politician, member of parliament, and also extensive experience in managing large-scale companies and institutions in the private and also public sector, including as the Deputy Minister and CEO of a leading property development and management company. And she is also very good and authored and co-authored more than 215 draft bills in economic and also the national security sector in her country. And she has been very much instrumental during the turbulent political environment in Ukraine. So thank you, ma'am, for your kind presence, and on behalf of the entire gatherings, I welcome you, ma'am. Similarly, we have with us His Excellency, respected Member of Parliament from the Ivory Coast, Mr. Oliver. So, Mr. Oliver is the very nice things. He is the Member of Parliament in his country from 2016. He is also the Mayor of the city, San Petersburg at the same time. It is not possible in India, perhaps. Sir, his minister is sitting here. So thank you very much, sir, coming all the way from the Ivory Coast. He is also actively involved in philanthropic and community work, particularly in promoting education and vocational training among the young people. So thank you very much, His Excellency. On behalf of everybody, I extend my heartiest welcome to you. And similarly, we have with us our Member of Parliament from the Bulgaria, His Excellency, Mr. Dimitar Tasiv. So Bulgarian politician, and also many things in his credit, and particularly his passion for public service led him to become Member of Parliament in the 47th session in his country. So I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much for your kind presence here. Similarly, we have with us Honorable Member of Parliament, His Excellency Jan Schloss from Slovakia. He is a research scientist also in the Slovakia Academy of Science, and many things in his credit. I welcome you also, sir. Thank you very much for your kind presence. On behalf of the everybody present, I welcome you. We have with us our Honorable Member of Parliament, Sierra Leone, His Excellency Charles Sir. In his own country dress, he is present here, Charles Sir, and he is a good politician and also human rights activist. He is very outstanding Member of Parliament who is very vocal and instrumental in the passage of legislation that seek to promote and protect the interest of the less privileged and vulnerable people in the society. That's why yesterday you cried when you see the ocean of children at Kiss. Thank you, His Excellency, Honorable Member of Parliament. I welcome you on behalf of the everybody present here. And similarly, we are also, we have with us Professor Dr. Moser from the Switzerland, who is a renowned academics and also researcher. I welcome you. Thank you very much for your present here. I also extend my heartiest welcome to our own alumni, Dr. Andreas Jahan, Foreign Policy Advisor, German Federal Parliament of German. So I welcome you, sir, also once again. And you will find another things, because you see, anything to be success, spiritualism is very much needed. I am also a little bit successful person because I always practice spiritualism 3 hours per day. So you will find one spiritual leader with us in the present, Parama Pujya Swami Surya Prabhaji, who is also Minister of Religion at the Brahmarshi Mission in UK, and she is Indian origin definitely, and she is known as Surya Didi. Is a very respected spiritual leader in UK and India, and in the Minister of Religion at the Brahmarshi Mission UK. You will be surprised to know she has dedicated her life, entire life, and for this mission from the age of 18. And Didi's compassionate leadership and dedication to service have earned her recognition and respect both within the mission and also in the wider community. So thank you, Didi, for your kind presence to this occasion. And on behalf of everybody, I welcome you. And definitely your deliberation will help our young guys, young students from the different school and college present here in the later period of 2 days. So it's also my great pleasure to extend the heartiest welcome to our Her Excellency Vanessa Adrian from the Embassy of Mexico, present here, and also His Excellency Mr. Michael A. Paul, Country Director, Embassy of Australia, and also His Excellency Mr. Jonathan Klom, the Embassy of Sweden, and also respected Ma'am Dr. Hilda Farkas, the Embassy of Hungary. So I welcome you all, and definitely हम लोग का फाइनली आता है इंडियन टर्म, बिकॉज हम लोग होस्ट कंट्री है, पहले बाहर कंप्लीट करेंगे, देन इंडियन पार्लियामेंट मेंबर्स को हम लोग आभार व्यक्त करेंगे. तो मेरा माने भाषा नहीं, आप लोग सबको आभार व्यक्त करने के लिए. सिमिलरली आवर ऑनरेबल मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट फ्रॉम द राज्यसभा झारखंड स्टेट, रेस्पेक्टेड श्री दीपक प्रकाश जी. सो दीपक प्रकाश जी की जी बच्चे लोग थोड़ा जोर से ताली दो, उसका जन्मदिन है, टुडे इज बर्थडे. सो टुडे इज बर्थडे, थोड़ा अच्छा से ताली दो, विश करो, बिकॉज we cannot repay their love and affection towards us coming to this place. Minimum we can clap and extend the good wishes and prayers for their well-being. So दीपक प्रकाश जी, आपको बहुत बहुत मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ. आप इन स्पाइट ऑफ अम्बेडकर जयंती एंड यू ऑल फोर हैव कम, अदर्स आर कमिंग, तो आपको मैं सबका तरफ से, मेरा किट किसका तरफ से, मेरा तरफ से आपको मैं स्वागत करता हूँ. सिमिलरली वी हैव विथ अस ऑनरेबल मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, respected Sri Samir Oran ji. Samir Oran ji, he is also the member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, and he is also the BJP National President ST Morcha present here. So आपको भी स्वागत करता हूँ, धन्यवाद देता हूँ, बहुत बहुत आपको धन्यवाद, आप यहाँ पर आए हैं. And we have with us our seasoned politician, member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, respected Sri Shankar Deep Rajbhar ji, from the UP state. So sir, आपको बहुत बहुत मैं स्वागत करता हूँ, धन्यवाद देता हूँ. आप यहाँ पर आए, इन स्पाइट ऑफ बिजी शेड्यूल, आप आज चले जाएंगे, सो स्टिल यू हैव कम, तो आपको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ. Similarly, it's our great pleasure to welcome the Honorable Member of Parliament, Sri Ajay Nishad ji, who is also the Member of Parliament Lok Sabha from the Bihar. तो आपको भी मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ, धन्यवाद देता हूँ. जो in spite of your busy schedule you came all the way to see all of us, तो आपको बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ. Similarly, we have with us Her Excellency Member of Parliament from the Armenia, Shobinar Vardanoyan. She is Honorable Member of Parliament from Armenia. She is renowned economist and also the politician, and she is instrumentation to introduce paternal leave in Armenia from 2021. Yeah, she is the instrument to introduce the paternal leave in Armenia from the 2021. Thank you very much, ma'am, coming all the way. On behalf of the entire gatherings, on behalf of Kit and Kiss, I welcome you, ma'am. Thank you very much for your kind presence. We have with us many Padma Shri awardee present amongst the guardians. Padma Shri, the civilian award. So, ମୁଁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କରୁଛି ଆମର ମୃତ୍ୟୁଞ୍ଜୟ ବାବୁଙ୍କୁ ପଦ୍ମଶ୍ରୀ, ମୁଁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କରୁଛି ଆମର ହଳଧର ବାବୁ ପଦ୍ମଶ୍ରୀ, ମୁଁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କରୁଛି ଦୈତାରୀ ନାୟକ ପଦ୍ମଶ୍ରୀ। ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। ଆପଣମାନେ ଆମର ନିମନ୍ତ୍ରଣ ରକ୍ଷା କରି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି, ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। Besides this also, we have with us more than 50 academicians from the different prestigious institute, university of the country, and also from the different part of the India. So more than 50 academicians present here as the speaker for today and tomorrow. So I have taken so much of time, I feel myself guilty. So you should not mind, I will, because your name are with me, including our Pro VC from the IGNO, Professor Hazarika from Assam has come all the way. So anyhow, our respected Professor Biswajit Ghosh ji, Vice Chancellor from Calcutta, Rajendra S. Dhaka, Chairperson of the INSIGN US from IIT Delhi. So it's my great pleasure as a founder of Kit and Kiss to extend heartiest welcome to each and every speakers present here, and he or she is the good academicians and scientists and also policy maker from the different parts of the country. मैं सबको बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ and आप लोग को धन्यवाद देता हूँ. Besides that also, it is my great pleasure to welcome others invited guests, speakers, those are present here, and particularly the our lovable students present here from the different other colleges and university and schools also, and the lovable students, those are watching us online in different auditorium, because students are now watching us for a kind information in different 4 auditoriums, and it is going on live globally and also in the television here in Odisha state. So I welcome each and every student, each and every staff from the other colleges and university, and also our staff member present here, and particularly my lovable Kitians and Kisians also, those who are present here. So lastly, I should express my thanks, gratitude to our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, who has given this opportunity because of presidency of India in G20 to host Y20. So we express our thanks, gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. At the same time, I express my thanks, gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Naveen Patnaik ji, who has inspired and supported our belief in the transformative power of education. And lastly, not least, our special thanks, gratitude to the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Services for entrusting this to us to host Y20. So Madam is also present here on behalf of the ministry. So I express my thanks, gratitude to Youth and Sports Affairs Ministry, Services, etc. So anyhow, I have prepared something to speak on this occasion, lekin I have taken so much of time, I should be excused by all of you. Now there are so many honorable guests present here. They will speak few minutes. Again, all the honorable member of parliament, our Indian parliament, other speakers, they will start their speaking from the 12:30 onwards today and tomorrow. So I hope definitely their deliberation will boost you, motivate you, and will definitely guide you. So you will never lose. In entire 5 auditoriums you are watching me, the deliberation will be made by our honorable guests, those who have come all the way. So once again, I should be excused by anybody I have left or I have not taken their names, and at the same time, thank you very much. Odisha is a very beautiful state. Bhubaneswar is the capital city of Odisha. Very beautiful city, no traffic, no pollution, full of greenery, very small city, very good. Bhubaneswar city. All the guests, those who are present here, definitely our volunteers will take to visit the sightseeing and also the Puri Konark, the seventh astonished of the world, the Sun Temple Konark. So our volunteers will take you. Don't forget to see this beautiful state beauty. Thank you very much.